What is typhoon in Korean? The Korean term for typhoon is Dae-Hangul. Again, it's Dae-Hangul. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is Dae, the second syllable is Hong. Pronounce it with me. Dae-Hangul. Dae-Hangul. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, Dae. First, we need to draw a T character followed by the E character. And then for the second syllable, Pong, we need to draw first a P or the P character followed by an U character followed by the Ing or the NG character in Korean. And then we just have to combine to form the Hangul of Dae-Hangul. And now you already know what is typhoon in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.